In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We'll set up a clean, professional document in just a few minutes, so your pages look consistent whether you're sharing digitally or printing. I'll walk you through opening Google Docs, starting a blank file, checking where your text styles live, and setting standard 1-inch margins on every side. Start by heading to Google Docs in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account, so your work saves automatically to Drive. On the Docs homepage, choose the blank option. This gives you a fresh document with default formatting, which we're about to tune so it meets common standards used in schools, offices, and professional templates. At the top of the page, locate the toolbar and click where it says Normal Text. This opens the Styles menu. We're not changing styles right now. A quick click simply confirms you're in the main editor toolbar and shows you where paragraph and heading options live. It's helpful to know you can return here later to assign headings for structure, but for now, keep it on normal text. Next, move to the menu bar at the very top and click File. From that list, choose Page Setup. This is where you control the overall page format. The dialog box that appears includes margins, orientation, paper size, and background color. We'll focus on the margins. Find the margin fields for top, bottom, left, and right, and set each one to 1. That's 1 inch, which equals 2.54 centimeters if your account uses metric units. 1-inch margins are a widely accepted standard because they provide comfortable white space for reading, notes, and most printers. They also give your document a balanced look that translates well when exported to PDF or shared with collaborators. Once those 4 margins all read 1, click OK to apply the changes. Your document's editable area will adjust immediately. If you had any text on the page already, you might see it reflow slightly to respect the new boundaries. If anything doesn't look right, you can always reopen Page Setup and tweak or use Undo to step back. That's it. You went to Google Docs, opened a blank file, checked where normal text lives on the toolbar, opened the file menu, selected Page Setup, set all 4 margins to 1 inch, and confirmed with